Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do, and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Alright, we paid the $10 to get in, but no, this is turnaround. This is not where we're supposed to be. Shannon!
I don't know where the gate 1 is.
But, okay, that doesn't mean you can drive through the... Yeah, it's not like you can drive through the park to get to gate 1. Like, let's go underneath that coaster. Let's see if that will get us to gate 1. Turn around.
Yeah, but I don't know where I'm supposed to park.
Well, I know.
Well, this is not where you're supposed to park.
Yes. That was interesting. And yeah, this park is interesting. Maybe, no, because there's coasters on that side too. This is different. Alright, try number 2. We think it's over there because we see some car. No, we're not.
There might be some kind of entrance. Cause, yeah.
This park is.
Might not be for
That's true.
But I see kids. I think Mommy's right. I think this is the area we're supposed to be in. They said to stay to the right though for the first one, right?
No, I don't know.
For Kentucky. Well, we'd have to go through, because I thought it said right 2 lanes. I'm pretty sure. But it's really weird how close it is to the convention center. God, imagine if there's a good convention going on and it's a busy summer day. Yeah, this is where we're supposed to go. We made it! What a weird park! We see the Big Easy blimps over there. We're inside. We're at Hurricane Harbor now.
They got pumps or something over there. We're trying to top the holiday where the free Stone Street and drinks
Well, I don't think everybody has the drinks though. Like, drinks are included on our special ticket. That costs cheaper than a one-day ticket. I don't get that. But they want you to come back 2 days and buy food, I suppose. Yeah. Wow, what are these hangers about? I wonder if those are part of the Kentucky Kingdom or if they're not. Those are cute. Their kiddie area is pretty cute. I don't know if you saw, we'll look later, their musical instruments as the rides. A 5D cinema, I wonder if that costs extra. Movies you ride. Neat. I bet you that's an upcharge though. Actually, people are just going in, so maybe it's not. So we gotta do that, right? Right, Daddy! Alright. It's probably, you don't need to see me go around the corner. Oh, they have a Matterhorn. Cool. But, or they call it the Himalayas? Yeah. Same deal. That's weird, I didn't expect that here. I don't know how I feel about that one. I'm not really a fan of animals in captivity and things like that where they're just for show. In zoos and nice aquariums, okay, but at an amusement park, yeah, that looks like the Mr. Six ride at Magic Mountain or whatever they call it now. Alright, now we have to cross the street to get to the other side. Alright. They're planning their first ride of the day being a kiddie coaster. Now I'll take a video of this section, I'll take a picture, but I'm gonna be good enough to not actually look at what I'm taking a video of, because I gotta imagine there's some spoilers in here. I am unfocusing my eyes, and now I'm taking a picture. Actually, that's pretty cool. See it next time it goes around, unless there's 2. Oh, there's another one. But I've never seen a merry-go-round where it has a spinny one, like that. That's neat. And then the bench rocks. And yeah, looks like all the animals, well, not all of them. Some of the animals are wooden. Naked babies, always a plus on a merry-go-round. Mommy and Aaron are waiting for the first ride of the day on roller skater. This behemoth. Alright. Oh, that's just, I thought that was the exit queue. I was like, wow, kind of scary. But it's scary for a reason because you're not supposed to go on it. Go in it. Or on it, I guess. Oh, they were too scared to go back row. I don't blame them. Look how nervous Aaron is. And Mommy. Hey. I'll stop. You don't need to see him go around. Yeah.
It doesn't look like you.
Yeah.
No.
No, it doesn't at all. Weird.
There's a few signs back there.
Yeah, Thunder Run. I guess that's this one.
Stop by the Aqua Theater, located on the front side of the park, for Sea Lion Splash.
It's not open yet. The last day of riders have already. Okay, we'll get a drink here and then we'll head towards Kentucky Flyer. All right, we're super excited. They have an RMC. This section of the park doesn't open till noon, and I can see why. We are literally the only people on this side of the park, so obviously we're the only people that don't know this park opens an hour later. People are on Thunder Run. I'm surprised there aren't that many people in the park. Quite honestly, I think everybody who was in line went to the water park. But this is a cute section of the park. But man, is this park laid out weird. Voted best new ride, Storm Chaser. That makes sense. RMC should always. Number 2 new ride. For what year? They won't say what year. They should say the year on it.
Second best new ride.
Yeah, I wonder what year it was.
2016, it said it on the.
Oh, it did say 2016? Huh. Well, that wasn't Steel Vengeance #1. I don't know what it was that year. Steel Vengeance was last year, 2017.
I thought it was 2018.
Oh, you're right. 18. I'm off a year. I thought this year was 18. Look at, this is just kind of bizarre. How much empty space there is, isn't it? And then, to walk down that back alley to get onto a ride. That looks like a construction area. Weird. There she goes. There goes the idiot.
Are you ready for this? This is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, it is. And what were you saying about this?
She's gonna get stoked. She's not gonna get be deprived for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Because just watch what's about to happen. Just watch what happens.
Ah, mosquito. I guess I'm too close to the water. Whoa, it almost did hit us. Yeah. Did you get wet?
Alright, so I'll tell you what, maybe we'll do that when we're bathing. Okay?
Why didn't you go on that?
It's pretty obvious why.
Red on your shirt.
Okay.
It's 92 degrees and I got a private ride on the water ride.
It's not 92.
It's almost 92.
Well, the high is supposed to be 88. Maybe.
It's freaking hot and now we got a private ride on the water.
But that's the high at like 3.
I don't want to not drive for all day.
You will drive. You're wearing stuff that will drive. I'll just probably drive. You're wearing stuff that will drive faster.
I think we should go on that wooden coaster because I wonder if Kentucky Flyer is even running right now.
Okay.
All right, Aaron, we just went on that wooden coaster over there. Thunder Run. What did you think?
It was fast.
Yeah, it was pretty fast. It probably went up to like 30 or something.
Yeah.
30?
No, probably fast.
So overall, what did you think? Fun? Good? Rough?
Rough.
It was a little on the rough side, but there was some good airtime hills.
Yeah.
Anything else about the ride? Nah, it was a one train. I mean, it's pretty on the short side, but it was fun. Now, Mommy's getting the photo pass, and then we're gonna go to the back of the park. Kentucky Flyer's running, and so is that weird red one. That one's gonna hurt.
What?
All right, there's mommy with the photo pass. I think you have to wear it like that all times, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna head to the back of the park. Go, ooh, excuse me. We're gonna go on. No, that's for the water park.
It's like the flyer's that way.
Correct, yeah.
This is weird.
It is very
Which
strange.
way gets the warm?
Yeah. Oh, she's not gonna wear it like that. That's no
How
fun.
about like this?
Yeah, not as cute. Yeah, sorry we keep posting pictures like this, but it's just so freaking weird how this park is laid out. It's snakes all over the place. A water coaster. They have a water coaster here. Huh. Lazy River looks cool too.
Yeah, the Lazy River looks nice.
Thank you guys and enjoy your ride on T3.
Now we're about to go on this. This is a unique one. Oh, look at the handles.
Welcome back, riders. How was that ride?
Yeah. All right, mommy was laughing the hardest on that ride. So
T3, who made this piece of beep?
I think it's an Arrow or a Vekoma. One of the two, Arrow or Vekoma. Might be a Vekoma. But anyway, yeah. It wasn't, it didn't hurt. It was very, very rough. But what do you think, Aaron?
I don't know. It was okay. But
Yeah, I'll only go on it like 3 more times. That's all.
3 more times.
I'm
It
not
is.
going on.
Oh come on, it was kind of fun. It was unique. I liked it. I wouldn't go on it again, but it was rough. Hey, check this out. Behind me, I'll flip it around. There's something called the Avian Adventure, and it looks like it's in a different park maybe. But it looks like it has the Jurassic Park font. Wonder what that's all about. Do you know what that's all about? The Avian Adventure. Alright, I don't think she gave us the right directions to get to Kentucky Flyer, but we'll see. But I guess it's not over here. I could have sworn it was this way, but... What's that? I am? Oh, yeah, the good call. The actual ride that we endured. Interesting music. Wow, wow. Yeah, la. Doesn't look shaky, but
Wait, did you see that?
yeah.
Oh, that's the top of that loop and like...
I know. All right.
You get pretty close to the coaster car right here.
Yeah, you do. All right, on to the next coaster. What's funny?
I kind of like this park, and the water park looks really good, but the feng shui is horrible.
Yeah, but like we have to get through to Kentucky, the Flyer, the roller coaster, but we're walking through the water park. The water park is cut through the amusement park.
To get to the other half of the amusement park, you literally have to cross.
Oh yeah, you have to cover.
We're technically in the water park right now.
Yeah, isn't that weird? But this is the way you go to the other coasters. Just so bizarre. Yeah, the park is actually pretty cool. But the layout is, holy crap.
Yeah, if the feng shui was different, it would actually, I like it.
Yeah. It's thick, but it's very thick. Yeah, here, hold on a second. I'll wipe some off and I'll put it on Aaron.
But they get the
That's fine.
Yeah,
I can wait.
me too. All right, let's go on the coaster so we can change and go in the water park. The front of the coasters are really cute. Don't you think? All right, we just got the what?
You get a coaster picture.
Oh, that's interesting. Oh yeah. 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 That's cool. All right. Oh, here's your sunglasses.
For roller coasters and 800.
Cool. So, what was your thoughts of Kentucky Flyer? Fun?
Yeah.
Anything else? What other adjectives come to mind? Short? Yeah.
I mean, the airtime was pretty good on it, and I think it's a really good roller coaster for like
Kids.
kids.
Yeah, it's a family coaster. For sure it's a family coaster. It's only what, maybe 40 feet tall, 50, not even.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a good little coaster. But we won't go on it again. It's crazy how low. Keep going. You don't have to time it. It's not like it's a video game where you have to time going underneath it. Although it seems like it. Yeah. You're right. So I don't get knocked off. That's kind of funny though. We were just talking about Vekoma. I didn't know they made other types of rides. This is a Vekoma Ferris wheel.
That's weird.
Yeah, you should tell mommy that. And it's a weird.
Yeah, there's a lot that one.
Yeah, their wave pool is decently sized as well.
A lot of water.
They have two wave pools.
Wow.
And one over there too.
Yeah.
Here comes the airplane in for a landing.
Oh yeah, we're really close to the airport.
Yeah, the airport's right there.
And there's one coaster on once we cross the on the other side.
It's right there.
Yeah.
That ride looks unique. That yellow and blue one. You're facing out. You're spinning.
Yeah, that does look unique.
Whoa.
Where is the airport?
Right here.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Well, there's the airport.
Yeah. We'll watch him come in for a landing. That's weird.
I'm impressed with this place, but like we've been saying.
Yeah.
Like there's where you have to cross the road to get to the other side.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, that's the only way you can get in and out from one side of the park to the other. And we drove on that road to get in here. I guess we should have went in through D. Yeah. Yeah. Remember when we said you saw D for Kentucky Kingdom when we were driving in? Oh, it's noon. Okay, so we'll go on the RMC probably a couple of times and then we'll get
Was 4
changed.
not D.
Oh, that's what I meant. Yeah. This is a pretty section of the park. I'm glad we went down instead of up.
Yeah, there's a bridge on that goes to the. You don't have to
Oh, that's good. All right. Cool. It looks long though. Looks like like unnecessary. Yeah, well,
unnecessarily walking really this place.
yeah. Well, you get your steps in for sure. Even though it's not a small park, but it's medium sized maybe.
Yeah.
It's a cute place to have something to eat. Well, it's not. I mean, even you open or close, it's a cute place to have something to eat.
Definitely. And it's inside, so it's air conditioned.
Well, yeah. Alright, we're going to try to find our way to the RMC. Wish us luck. That's funny. Something I didn't notice last time. It said voted #2 best new ride. They used one of the smallest fonts they could possibly use to say #2. Yeah, that was pretty funny.
2016.
The 2016 best voted best #2 on that sign. I didn't see the small print for #2. And we're going on to the #2. Hopefully it isn't
2016.
Hopefully it isn't #2. We just went on that one, Storm Chaser? Storm Chaser. A pretty good, I mean a really good RMC. I mean, it's our second least favorite. I mean, we only put Goliath behind it, and Mommy puts it last even behind Goliath. But even the worst RMC, hold on. Even the worst yeah, exactly. Even the worst RMC is better than, it'd be in top 10s of people. You know, it's a really good coaster.
Yeah, RMCs are good.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite part about it?
The drop, I guess.
Yeah, it was pretty cool, the corkscrew into a drop.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, but yeah, and there's some little airtime hills, but it's not a speed demon.
No, it's not a speed demon.
Yeah, most RMCs are. In fact, that's the first RMC where it isn't a speed demon.
I know.
And there's a couple of janky turns, but there's good airtime. But now we're gonna go on that blue coaster, and then we're gonna change it to the water park. Hopefully it gets a little warmer, but you know, we'll see. We're gonna go. Yeah, it's hot actually. I will show you from the other side.
Here in Kentucky Kingdom, we take guest satisfaction very seriously. And we want to make sure you have the best time.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's fun to look at, but I'm not a fan of them. What was the name of that one that we went on? The blue? Lightning something.
Lightning Run.
Lightning Run. Did we go through here? Okay. But that was fun. They had seats like the RMC cars. In fact, I think they're the exact same kind, right?
Yeah, but it's funny because I don't know who made it, but it's like RMC, but then on a steel track.
That's exactly what I was going to say. Because I know RMC didn't make any steel coasters, but that sure feels like it.
Yeah,
I feel like an RMC.
Passing out of your seat a lot.
Yeah, and the turns and everything like that. Yeah, a good ride. It was a little janky, but not bad. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you this ride. That's cute. I've never seen a mini. Yeah, and there's a frog hopper. Yeah, mini Matterhorn. Yeah. Well, they're also called Himalaya. And they have one of those copters like they have at. Yeah, and they have that copter ride like they have at Lego. Yeah, I just did.
I'm red and I'm blue. I don't like you.
Did you see the copter ride like they have at Legoland?
Yeah.
And they have this musical instrument ride. Yeah, it's interesting. Cute little kids area. And the blimps. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's you fit 8 people in a blimp? That makes sense. Blimps are bigger. Alrighty. We're going to get changed to go back into the water park, and I'm going to leave the camera in the car. So this will be the last video we take at Kentucky Kingdom, I believe. Kentucky Kingdom, I believe.
Yeah. We got a map. This map is really huge. And
oh my gosh, that's going to take up a lot of space on our bathroom.
But it's cool.
Yeah, it is.
Or we can put it outside our bathroom.
Yeah, we'll figure we'll figure that part out. But anyway, we'll give our full review later. I don't know when, but we will.
I do see it.
Trying to get Aaron off the laptop. He's got another 20 minutes or so before. Yeah, it's fine. 20 minutes, but we just got our first glimpse at the Cincinnati skyline. That's pretty cool. After you turn around a mountain and boom, there's Cincinnati.
Yeah, that is cool. And they have a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, they have a Ferris wheel down there, like their version of Navy Pier or something. Cincinnati, oh, there's the Bengals where they play.
That's cool.
Uh-huh. Very compact downtown. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really compact.
How does it go?
We're nomads, we're nomads, we're nomads. We're on an adventure in a little Ford Fiesta.
Yep, we're almost to our hotel. What's it called?
For night 3.
For night 3, yeah, that's fun.
Continue on Chester Road
I don't know what it's called, but it's in Sharonville,
Yeah, in
Ohio.
Sharon. This is a nice area.
Yeah.
Watch, we're gonna cross the tracks.
Right? That's cool. There's like a castle over there.
Is there? Like a literal castle, or?
I don't know what it is. Oh no, maybe it's a
Vikings.
right there.
Okay.
It's a temple.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. It looks like it's like a mini golf temple.
I know, but I think it's one of those temples that he's like into.
What, like Babs?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not Babs.
My backpack looks like it's having a hard time swallowing.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Oh, I see it.
What is it?
I think that's Hometown.
Oh, Hometown Studios. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is nice.
Oh, yeah, this is really nice. Wow,
Good job!
Yay, I was worried. Okay, cool. All right, we're at Kings Island. We were gonna go to Soak City, but they closed the entrance to it, so we think they closed Soak City to guests an hour before they close. So now we're going to Kings Island for a few hours. We're gonna have dinner and go on a few rides and get the layout for tomorrow. Exciting stuff. It's kind of busy, but who cares? This is our free 3 hours. Are we excited?
Not really.
All right, we'll see if we can share. Oh, this is a cool first look at the park. It's themey, like German. Or what, there's a carnival with the Eiffel Tower, so. Is there? All right, let's go. Oh. All right. They're gonna get a picture and then we're gonna explore this. I'm really excited. have like a taste of the world here. We're kind of like the Food and Wine Fest. They're getting their drinks. We can get every 15 minutes. Now we're gonna go on a coaster or two. Hey, Planet Snoopy. There's a hyper over there. And we might go on the hyper next. We'll see. Okay, we're following footprints. I'm hoping it leads me to the Beast. I'm not sure if it will or if it won't, but I want that to be my first coaster at Kings Island because I've been wanting to do that one for a while. It's fairly a notorious and legendary coaster. But wherever this leads us, we're gonna follow it till the end. Found it. Yeah. But I was just mentioning, I really like Cedar Fair's music. I wonder what that is, that building. Alright. Yay me! Well, I missed a lot of these signs. But they say a lot of
We had 2 train left.
You said it was crazy. Why did you say it was crazy?
Because it went really fast.
After the second chain left, it went super fast, and then they went to like the same tunnel twice.
So was it the same tunnel twice?
I think it was like a bridge how you went down the low.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, those turns are nuts. That was a fun coaster. I'm glad we chose it as our first one because it was fun. Oh, I guess we're doing a picture thing here. All right. They just went on the Water Rapids ride.
Drowned River Raft. Aaron, tell me about it.
It was made by Incident.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. But it was a fun. Was it one of the better ones you've been on?
It's the best rapids ride I've ever been on, but I'd have to go on Popeye again to say that for one person.
Yeah, that's true. Popeye was pretty good.
But no, that one was different.
Cool. I'm glad you guys liked it.
Go on it, Daddy.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, here's a pro tip. If you have the Fun Picks pass, it works at all. Well, at least it worked at Cedar Point and Kings Island.
First season passes.
Yeah. So that's nice. I checked on the app and the picks got in. They're horrible, but we got them. Aaron's getting another thing of chicken strips because Mommy loves them so very much. I'm having my Skyline chili that I've always wanted to try, which is spaghetti with chili. I'd ask for no cheese. There we go. It's crazy. When I went to go get the chili, they stayed behind and they got the chicken strips over here. And on one side, the Mardi Gras parade was going on. The other side, it's like 3 different still walkers. At the front of the fountains, there was a dance party going on with like techno music. And then behind it, underneath the Eiffel Tower, they had Can-Can girls, and it was just a crazy atmosphere. And then when I was walking back, where the Can-Can girls were, it was a music group, and the parade was going to start again in like 15 minutes. It's just the entertainment. The entertainment here is really, really good. Wait. Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Sorry again.
Earlier, I'm sorry what I said. I wasn't excited. This park is really nice, and I only saw this tiny little section right here.
Yeah, we really haven't been that far yet. But they put on all the lights on the...
That coaster's cool.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what it is. It's cool, whatever it's called.
But yeah, they have the lights up. This park's pretty well maintained.
Well, the park.
Yeah, so far so great. We just went on that pain machine. It wasn't that bad for me.
Well, it's like Demon.
Yeah.
Demon on steroids.
Yeah. How many inversions did it have? Like 6, 8?
A lot.
Yeah. But now we went on that, and we're gonna go on this Woody over here, and that might be the last ride we go on tonight. We'll see how much time we have left. Hey, look over here. I see a familiar building.
What? A diner?
Yeah, the Jukebox Diner. Remember they have a copy paste at all the Cedar Fair parks? Although this one, no, it doesn't. This one's a little different. Huh. It might be the same footprint though. No, it's not at all. Yay, we found something that rivals Houdini as crap we don't know about. Aaron loves the unknown. He just loves it to death. Yay, this will be fun. Oh, this is amazing.
What is this?
I don't know.
Scared of the alien.
I am nervous. I'm glad Aaron didn't do this. This is intimidating. Alright, let's go. This is nutsoid.
Let's take a video of that. That's
Oh, I love not researching. Oh, this is amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no. We were just talking about he felt bad. We just pulled him on it because we knew he would love that. That might be a top 10 coaster for me, honestly. That first part of the ride.
Think about it, Aaron.
I liked it.
Yeah, I love that. We're gonna.
It's really good, and like the building doesn't look that big at all. So it's like I didn't think there would be a coaster.
There's the rest of the show building still there.
Yeah,
I know, but when you switch to this, like I didn't think a coaster's gonna be in there.
Yeah, I didn't know. I saw a show building back there, but I didn't know it was for that ride. I seriously thought it was a Gravitron, but it's a really kick butt dark coaster where you go upside down. I don't even know how many times I've heard.
You can't tell when you're upside down or right
That's
side
so good though, right?
Yeah.
Hey, when you think you're right sided up, then you go back down and like.
And I like the fact that you can kind of see it. So
Yeah.
you can see like there's the mess of steel inside a
Yeah.
small tight space.
Yeah, I'm glad you liked it. Thank you for going on it. But that queue is mega intimidating.
Yeah, it is. I was even scared.
I spoke too soon. There's the scrambler. The other one I saw was a triple play. Every park we've been to has a scrambler except for which park?
Kentucky Kingdom.
Yeah. That's only amusement park, not theme park, that doesn't have a scrambler that we've been to yet. Yeah, I definitely like this park better than Cedar Point.
They have a subway too, Aaron.
Hey, they have a spider, I think. Cool.
For like the one at Cedar Point.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, there's more stuff to do here in Cincinnati than at
Man, I hope this doesn't challenge knots. Because it might. Great park. Pro tip for riding the Red Racer, sit in rows 1 or 2. I sat in row 3 like
in a car.
yeah, in a car, row 3 per car, like there's 3 seats per car, 3 rows per car. I was in the row 3 and seriously that was the roughest coaster I've ever been on. I told them halfway through the ride I wish I was on a Mount Olympus ride. But they were fine. They were just one in front of us. They were in row 2.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Oh, she's gonna go to the bathroom. But you were fine, right?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Weird. I most definitely. What the hell, Kings Island? Damn you, Kings Island. You are better than knots. Seriously. It was time. It was time to the fireworks.
Friends, and come see us again at the land where the party never stops. Farewell from the Grand Carnival!
Oh. Yes. We're right next door to a nightclub, so that's interesting. But here's our room. It's actually a pretty decent one. Yeah, it's a full-size fridge. We finally have a microwave so we can have popcorn. Yeah, don't worry, it's not really 12:50.
It's not really 12:50, it's only 10:45.
Yeah. All right, so let's do a wrap-up video about today. All right. We'll stand up and do it like this. I'm gonna go. Aaron's got the hiccup, so we'll keep this one short. Get in the screen.
Where is he?
Where's mommy now? Oh, there we are. Eventful day. What do you think?
Yeah, it was a very eventful day.
Like what, for example?
We went to Kings Island and we went to Kentucky Kingdom and Hurricane Bay.
Yeah, that was good. Was it called Hurricane Bay?
Yeah, it was called Hurricane Bay.
Jeez, where are you?
I was there, not mentally. Sure? Yeah, I don't know. I think I've got video proof to show it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a crazy day. Our craziest so far. Tomorrow morning we're gonna rope drop Kings Island, right?
Yeah, who knows what will happen from there.
Yeah, we don't know. I'm gonna look up Soak City. I'm gonna cheat and see if it's worth staying. I'm thinking it will be worth going to, so we'll see where it goes. So, Aaron, press the button.